Yo, what is up, my peeps? We are here at Spectrum Falls and Express Home Communities by D.R. Horton. So we've got 2 model homes, but they have 3 floor plans. These Express Home Communities, they're not like your typical new home development where you go in and, pick out a lot, choose all your upgrades, and you've got like a 10-month build time. What they do is they spec out these homes and they just release a home site or 2 home sites per week or bi-weekly. On this particular home, you've got a special interest rate of 4.99%. So that's pretty good. It's only available for that particular home. If you were to go ahead and pass this one up, you probably aren't going to get this special interest rate. Either way, pretty good deal. $480,000 for a brand new home here in the Southwest. That's a pretty solid deal. So let's take a look at these houses. So we are right next to the entrance of the neighborhood, and you can see they just started building out here. This development just opened back in October. They've got 200 plus home sites that they're going to be building out in this phase. Here are the 2 models. So this is a 2,900 square foot model. Don't remember the exact square footage. I can't see that sign. That's the 2433. That's the 2,600 square foot model. All right. So we've got another home in the Southwest, just off of Silverado Ranch. So today we were looking at the 2665 floor plan. So 2,665 square feet. This one has 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. So this is going to be your access into the garage. This home isn't exactly complete just yet, but they don't have a model. So let's take a look and see what we've got going on here. This will be our best idea of this particular home. So with these homes, D.R. Horton, what you see in a model is what you get. And you can see we've got the same flooring. So we've got 1 bedroom down, standard size closet here. To your right, we're going to have our laundry room. It's a pretty good size. And considering we have a bedroom down, we're going to have a full bathroom instead of a half, or I guess 3/4. I apologize. So pretty standard. We're going to have this same granite countertops throughout the home and this nice finish on these cabinets. Like I mentioned, this home isn't complete. They're almost done. I believe it should be closing next month, if not by the end of this month. So we've got our kitchen and main living area. Ceiling fan in the living room. And we've got 3 wires for ceiling fans just about everywhere else. Recessed lighting in the ceiling throughout the house. All the appliances are included. So we've got our fridge that's supposed to go right here. Now we've got our oven with microwave. That vents out through the top. And then here we've got our island. Dishwasher's gonna go right there, obviously. And what I like about these new homes, you're gonna see they've got the pre-wire right here, so you can run your cables down to the bottom if you were to hang your TV. So you don't have all these exposed cables, exposed wire hanging. I like that because when I see cables behind a TV, it just bothers me. Here's your backyard. With all new homes, they're gonna come with just a blank slate just like this. You're gonna have to go ahead. Some builders say 6 months, others say a year, but within that time frame, you'll have to do something, whether it be turf, gravel, whatever you want. And it's nice because this is a pretty good sized backyard. Still have some painting to do, some touch up. Take a look at the upstairs. So we've got a bit of a closet right here, little linen closet. Pretty standard. Primary is going to be to the right, and then you got everything else to your left. So unlike the other model that I showed, this one does not have a loft. Instead, the bedrooms are a lot bigger. Like I mentioned, we are inside of a 5-bedroom home. So obviously we're going to need more square footage to accommodate for all 5 bedrooms, but with the removal of the loft, these bedrooms are a bit more spacious. There's your closet in that room. Take a look at bedroom number 2, which, just like the other model over there, this bedroom is just a flip. Oh yeah, take a look at this. This is a really So this is just pretty much a loft. They have a door on there, so that would make this a den. But this could be your game room. Here's our full bathroom here in the upstairs. See, that's where our medicine cabinet's gonna go. Isn't quite there yet. Honeywell thermostats, just like in the model. Those are Wi-Fi enabled, so you can go ahead and connect your phone through the app. And here is our primary bedroom. Wow, this one's pretty big. Do a quick pan. Same thing, we've got the wire right there, ceiling fan. And like I mentioned in the other bedrooms, if you wanted a ceiling fan, they've got the pre-wires. And then here is our primary bathroom. Double sinks. Nobody's fighting over which sink they've got. And then we've got the same style of a shower, standing shower here, a couple benches. Here's where your toilet. And then we've got our pretty decent size walk-in closet. Wow, actually it's a really good size. So we've got a bit of an L shape walk-in closet here. Lots of space. So yeah, that pretty much does it. If you guys have questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Peace.